Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for May 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, Aries, let's see what's coming to you ngayong May 2024 for Aries. Authenticity, ayan, pagpapakatotoo sa inyong sarili. I think you will focus on yourself, yung feelings mo. Kumbaga hindi mo na, wala ka na dun sa face na you are pleasing other people, no? Kumbaga, kung meron mang taong hindi makakatanggap sa'yo, no? Wala ka nang pakialam doon kasi ang importante sa'yo is you are pleasing yourself, not other people, no? At least totoo ka sa iyong sarili. Ayan. And then, it's also acceptance, no? Accepting who you really are. And being more unique. You also have divine guidance. So, you are divinely guided. Maaring merong mga messages coming through sa'yo ngayong May na napaka-importante para sa iyong spiritual growth, no? Maaring meron kang at madalas kang managinip ngayon, may mga mensahe sa'yo dun sa panaginip na yon about your situation. Some of you are being called to do spiritual healing, beauty, ayan. So you are also going to focus on taking care of yourself, practicing self-love, self-care. Ito yung pagsasaayos ng iyong physical appearance, ng pananamit mo to bring more confidence. And of course, ang beauty naman hindi lang panglabas yan, pangloob din, o 'di ba? So mas magiging kind ka sa sarili mo. Ayan. Let's see what else. Tingnan natin ang overall energies for you, Aries, ngayong May 2024 for Aries. Okay. You have the Ace of Cups. New beginnings, new love relationships. Maaring merong bagong connection, romantic connection if you are single. Or if you are in a relationship, maaring mas magbibigay kayo ng attention sa isa't isa ng partner mo. This is about showing how much you love someone and you care about someone. And then, meron din ditong peace offering. So, maaring merong makikipag-ayos, makikipagbate, no? Pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you are dealing with. Can be anyone, pwedeng romantic partner, pwedeng sa family or sa friends. And this is also a new source of happiness, no? Para sa iba, pwedeng may bagong reason para maging masaya kayo ngayong May. Yung iba, manganganak, may bagong family member. Yung iba, meron kayong tinuturing nyo na parang baby ninyo. Halimbawa, bagong sasakyan, bagong alagang hayop, 'di ba? Let's see your challenge. Your challenge is the Hermit. Okay. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, medyo challenging yung quiet times para sa sarili ninyo. Yung parang katahimikan ng isip. So, yan yung kailangan nyo rin na i-work out ngayong May na magkaroon ng alone time, no? Alone moment para makapag-reassess kayo ng situation nyo na kung saan nyo gustong dalhin yung inyong buhay, no? Starting May moving forward. Kasi minsan, no, parang nagiging komportable na tayo sa sitwasyon natin, hindi na tayo nag-grow, nagiging stagnant na tayo. So, for some of you, maaring i-reassess nyo, ito ba yung direksyon na gusto kong tahakin? Kung hindi, ano yung gusto kong bagong direksyon na tahakin? Na kung saan magiging masaya kayo. Let's see your opportunity. What is the opportunity for Aries? The High Priestess. So, ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na spiritual na guidance, no? Maaring kayo ay mas lalong nagiging spiritually connected, divinely connected sa inyong higher self. Some of you are becoming more spiritual, no? Maaring magpo-focus kayo sa inyong spiritual knowledge, kahit anong religious organizations or kung anong belief system ninyo, it doesn't matter. Ang importante is yung kaalaman, karunungan nyo, no? Doon sa pina-follow ninyo na belief system. You also have the opportunity na mas lalo mong palakasin ang iyong instinct, ang iyong intuition, kasi makakatulong talaga yan, especially in making decisions, dahil mas alam mo kung saang direction ka pupunta. So, your blessing is, wow, the world. As a blessing, this is about achievement, no? So, maaring meron kang malaking achievement ngayong May. It's like a completion of a project, no? Maaring natapos mo na yung proyekto na yon, successful siya. Maari ring meron kang mga recognition or rewards na matatanggap dahil sa hard work na ibinigay mo sa isang sitwasyon, sa career, sa trabaho, sa business, or even sa relationship. Some of you are going to be very blessed sa mga affairs sa international, no? So, may kinalaman sa pakikipag kalakalan o diwan lalim sa ibang bansa or pagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa, ganyan, o mga international trading. Some of you may blessing of working abroad. Ayan. Working or traveling abroad. Some of you naman, pwedeng merong, kung single kayo, maaring meron kayong makikilala na romantic partner na foreigner or nasa ibang bansa na pwedeng magsimula ang long distance relationship. Okay, now let's see sa inyong money, career, finances. Money, career, finances. Message for Aries. Oh, the boss. Oh, diba? You are about to take bigger responsibilities in your business or career. So, kumbaga, ikaw yung head, ikaw yung mamumuno, ikaw yung manager. Ayan, yung iba naman sa inyo merong executive position na nagla-line up para sa inyo. And yung finances nyo, mas lalong nagiging matatag. Ayan. Mas lalo nyong binibigyan niya ng attention din na magkaroon ng financial stability. You also have assistance. So, there are some resources that you have overlooked that would help you resolve your financial issues. Kung meron ka mang magiging problema sa trabaho, career, sa business mo, sa finances mo, someone is willing to help you. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring magiging member ng isang team. Yung iba, kayo ang magli-lead ng team na yan. That will allow you to share your talents, your skills sa iba. Oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda. Tingnan pa natin. Money, career, finances, messages, energies for Aries. Oh, the lovers, yung iba papasok sa isang serious commitment sa trabaho, no? Pwedeng offer ng project, pwedeng merong contract signing. You also have the Queen of Wands. Some of you talaga travel opportunities or working abroad. Yan ay maaring ma-experience ninyo ngayong May. So, sa love life naman, may ex, okay. May ex. Parang yung ex nyo nakikipag-flirt. O, pwedeng nakikipag-communicate ulit. Tapos, may halong, panghaharot. So, nasa sa inyo yan. Kung i-entertain nyo pa, kung magiging marupok kayo. Kasi ngayon, Mercury is still in retrograde. Pero pagdating naman ng May, tapos na yung retrograde, ayan na yung time na marirealize mo kung tama yung naging decision mo na nakipag-flirt ka ulit or nakipag-connect ka ulit sa iyong ex. Kasi marami ka ng options, pwede ka naman nang tumanggi. Oo. You have the 5 of Swords. So, pwede kasing dun mo marirealize na, okay, hindi na pala pwede or ayoko na pala talaga sa kanya. Kasi makaka-experience ka na naman ng conflict sa taong yan. Okay? So, and I also see you focusing on your family, pagbibigay ng mga pangangailangan nila. So, I see you excelling in your career, your business. Discord among friends or family. So, some of you pwedeng magkaroon ng misunderstanding sa family ninyo, especially if this is related sa mana, no, sa inheritance or pera. Beware of self-delusion. Ayan. So, it's importante na you ground yourself, pagiging realistic pa rin and practical. News of birth of a new business opportunity. Ayan. Merong bagong business opportunity for you, or pwede ring may bagong member ng family, may baby sa family. Okay? Just take what resonates. So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!